Hey there! For beginner traders, no indicator is as familiar as the RSI. But do you really know how to trade with it? In this video, I'll show you how to squeeze everything out of the market using the RSI. Enjoy watching! By the way, if you didn't know, I coach trading, and I've been doing it for so long that my students have started coaching too. Message me the trading coach and I'll set you up with my top student to go over your mistakes. Let's get started. First, let's fetch the candles. 15-second time frame. Trade duration 1 minute. That's a must. And the amount, well, let it be 500. Okay. We are using just one indicator, RSI. Here it is. No adjustments needed. You've got a great setup. Looks like it. Yes, perfect. I am opening a short trade. We can see RSI has been under pressure for a while, sitting in this 70 zone. The trend is upward, but it's about to end. Let's watch. Switching back to the 15-second time frame. Come on, it's time. Yes, almost there. You're going in the right direction. Come on. 3 seconds. Yes, perfect. Trade close and profit. Finally got the market's response. Price dropped. Great, let's look for more trades. Okay, open a long trade. We see a fresh support level here, a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, let me draw it for you. Plus divergence on this segment. And here too, let's see. Yes, that's great. Absolutely awesome. 7 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Didn't even have to switch pairs, my dears. 2 winning trades. Opening a short trade here. We can clearly see divergence in these price highs. Plus, a level has already formed. Everything points to a downward move. So, what? Why? Why is there a divergence then? This is the strongest bounce of the level it had. That's a loss. Wait. Yes. Come on. 1. Super! We grabbed our money at the last second. My precious money. That was something. Well, I'm done with this pair. Let's move on. I'll add a few more currency pairs and move forward. Today we are not chasing trades. Trades are chasing us. I open a long trade. There is divergence here. Price is falling, but RSI is rising, indicating upcoming trend reversal. And let's see. Maybe it's too early for divergence. It's still building. Maybe we'll catch it in the time. Oh my god. Where go? Probably not. This is not good. 5 seconds. Yeah, it's lost, guys. I'll go drink some water. I need to calm down a bit. Guys, if things aren't going as planned, just take a break from this. Walk around your home and let your emotions settle. Nothing's worse than emotional trading. Doubling up, opening 2 long trades on the same currency pair. Looks like we got the trend reversal. A first battle has begun. I don't like this moment. Why are you dropping? Should I have excited for this pair? Yes, come on, just a little more, please. Yes, 2, 1, perfect! Plus 2,000 bucks in balance. I think that's it for today. I couldn't show a better result. Those last trades just drained me. Let's review the trade history. Here's today's results. Those trades, second trade, fourth trade, fourth, it's a loss, and a profit. By the way, if we had changed the expiration time in the last trade, we wouldn't have to worry. We needed to give the market time to shift direction. That's your lesson for today. Use every tool at your disposal, including adjusting trade duration. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you understood how to use RSI correctly. I on purpose traded in an alternative way to show a different side of this indicator. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. That just warms my heart. See you next time, guys.